FX174, FX174, DNA replication. Overview of FX174 virus. Type, Bacteriophage, infects E. coli. Genome, single-stranded circular DNA, ssDNA, plus sense. Size, 5.4 kb, very small. Capsid, icosahedral, no tail. Unique feature, first DNA genome ever completely sequenced. Host cell entry and need for replication. FX174 injects SS, plus, DNA into E. coli. But ssDNA cannot be directly transcribed or replicated efficiently. So, the virus must first convert its ssDNA into a double-stranded replicative form, RF. This is the purpose of the initial replication step. Overall DNA replication strategy of FX174. FX174 uses two replication mechanisms, in sequence. Phase 1, host-dependent complementary strand synthesis. Phase 2, rolling circle replication, RCR. Phase 1, formation of replicative form, rfDNA. What happens? Viral SS, plus, DNA rightward arrow dsDNA, RFI. Mechanism. Host enzymes only are used. This step is similar to normal bacterial DNA synthesis. Enzymes and components used, host-derived. Component. Function. RNA polymerase. Synthesizes RNA primer. DNA polymerase 3. Synthesizes complementary, DNA strand. DNA polymerase I. Removes RNA primer plus fills gaps. DNA ligase. Seals nicks. DNTPS. Building blocks. Result. RFI rightward arrow supercoiled DS circular DNA. Acts as template for transcription and replication. Phase 2, rolling circle replication, RCR. This is the key and unique replication mechanism of FX174. What is rolling circle replication? A mechanism where one DNA strand is nicked. 3O end acts as primer. New DNA is synthesized while the old strand is displaced. Step-by-step rolling circle replication in FX174. Step 1, initiation. Viral gene A protein, rep protein, binds to rfDNA. Introduces a site-specific nick in the plus strand. Provides free 3O end. Step 2, elongation. DNA polymerase 3, host, extends the 3 end. Synthesis proceeds around a circle. Old, plus, strand is displaced as ssDNA. Step 3, termination. After one genome length is synthesized, gene A protein cleaves and ligates the new strand. Newly synthesized ssDNA is released. The displaced ssDNA becomes new viral genome. Packaged into capsid. Enzymes and contents used in rolling circle replication. Viral protein. Viral factor. Function. Gene A protein. Nicking, ligation, initiation and termination. Host factors. Host enzyme. Role. DNA polymerase 3. DNA synthesis. DNA polymerase I. Repair, minor role. DNA ligase. Sealing nicks. SSB proteins. Stabilize ssDNA. DNTPS. Substrates. No primase required in RCR. Because 3O is generated by nicking. Purpose of rolling circle replication in FX174. Why does FX174 use this process? Rapid genome amplification. Produces many ssDNA genomes quickly. Efficient packaging. Virus needs ssDNA, not dsDNA. RCR directly produces ssDNA. Minimal genome, maximal efficiency. Very few viral proteins needed. Relies mostly on host machinery. Coordination with assembly. DNA synthesis occurs simultaneously with capsid assembly. Biological significance. Shows how viruses exploit host replication machinery. Demonstrates alternative DNA replication mechanisms. Rolling circle replication is also used by plasmids. Other phages, M13. Some eukaryotic viruses. Summary. FX174 replicates its SS, plus, DNA by first forming a double-stranded replicative form using host enzymes, followed by rolling circle replication initiated by viral gene A protein to generate progeny ssDNA genomes.